You probably know the exact feeling. When you're fully dressed, you look perfectly fit to everyone around you. But the moment the t-shirt comes off, the look changes. You look soft, your muscles lack shape, and your physical appearance doesn't reflect the effort you feel you're putting in. To know for sure if you fall into the skinny fat category, check this list. There are 4 physical markers: a flat chest, noticeable softness around your midsection, thin arms lacking muscle definition, and a lack of foundational strength during your lifts. When people notice these markers, they usually choose one of 2 paths. They try to bulk up by eating more, but because their body isn't primed to build muscle, the extra calories are stored almost entirely as new belly fat. Or they try an aggressive cut to lose the fat, but since they have no muscle base to reveal, they end up looking emaciated and weak. For this specific body type, traditional bulking and cutting cycles often lead back to the same soft physique. The solution is a strategy called body recomposition. Instead of choosing between building muscle or losing fat, body recomposition uses a specific caloric and training environment to do both simultaneously. You do not need to starve yourself or run endless miles to change this. By following these 5 daily steps, you can replace fat with functional muscle tissue without resorting to extreme dieting cycles. Step 1 is setting your calorie baseline. You need a middle ground. Use a TDEE calculator to find your maintenance calories, then subtract about 200. This creates a slight deficit, just enough to tap into fat stores, while leaving enough energy for the body to repair muscle tissue. To maintain this balance, you have to track your daily food intake. Guessing your portions is usually where progress stalls, leading to either accidental fat gain or muscle loss. Logging your meals ensures you stay within that precise caloric range every day. You can adjust this baseline based on how you feel. If you are consistently too weak to finish your workouts, your deficit is likely too deep. If your waist measurement is increasing, you are likely in an accidental surplus. Step 2 is hitting your daily protein target. While the calorie deficit handles fat loss, protein provides the amino acids required to physically change the shape of your arms, chest, and shoulders. In some regions, there is a belief that high-protein diets are harmful to the kidneys. For healthy individuals, the research does not support this. Protein is a biological requirement for muscle repair. Without it, your body will remain soft regardless of how hard you train. You can meet this requirement through whole foods. As seen here, eggs, chicken breast, paneer, curd, and soya chunks are effective ways to reach your daily target without relying solely on supplements. Think of protein as the structural material for your physique. When you consume enough of it, you provide the body with the tools it needs to sustain and build muscle, even while you are in a caloric deficit. Step 3 is progressive overload. You have to stop switching between random exercises or doing high-rep bodyweight movements that don't challenge you. Pick a structured lifting plan and document every set. The rule of progressive overload is simple. You must lift more weight or perform more repetitions with the same weight than you did in your last session. This incremental increase is the only signal that forces the body to prioritize muscle growth. Growth occurs during these final, difficult repetitions. If you stop a set when it starts to feel uncomfortable, you aren't providing enough stimulus. You need to push each set until you are within 1 or 2 reps of total failure. Step 4 is adjusting your activity for recovery. Many people try to fix a skinny fat body with high-intensity cardio. Too much of this actually interferes with muscle recovery and leaves you too tired to lift heavy weights. Instead, focus on a non-negotiable target of 7,000 to 10,000 walking steps every day. This burns calories and aids fat loss without putting excessive stress on your central nervous system. You must also prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. During this time, your body regulates the hormones responsible for fat metabolism and tissue repair. Lifting weights only provides the signal for growth. The actual process of muscle protein synthesis and hormonal regulation happens while you are asleep. Step 5 is how you measure progress. First, you must stop relying on the bathroom scale as your primary metric. This diagram shows the difference in density. 1 pound of muscle is much smaller and firmer than 1 pound of fat. Because you build muscle while losing fat, your total weight stays exactly the same even as your waist shrinks and shoulders broaden. To track your actual changes, take weekly photos, measure your waist, and ensure your gym weights increase. Change happens in stages. In weeks 1 to 3, your gym strength climbs. By month 1, your overall softness begins to tighten. By month 3, muscle definition appears. And after 6 months, you'll completely transform from a soft frame to an athletic, defined physique. Stop looking for 3-week shortcuts that don't exist. Body recomposition is a slow, physiological shift. If you follow the steps consistently, the result is inevitable. Start this process today. Leave a comment below to commit to the next 6 months, track your metrics, and let the training take effect.